3D Hive UK. So this is looks like a 3D printing shop. Very cool. And they've got little T-Rexes and stuff going on here, some little Triceratops. Um, the first thing I would say is I got some raving multiple 5-star reviews the last few days, so that's great. That's excellent. You're on the right track there. 138 sales, so that's really good as well. I think it would be great to add a little shop banner, especially since you got these really cool little dinosaurs. A shop banner to kind of showcase a few more of your items there would be a good move, I think. Now let's look at some of these right here. Let's look at this little T-Rex because that kind of intrigues me. So we've got RT Rex, articulated Tyrannosaurus Rex, articulated dinosaur, toy ornament, desk ornament, home. Okay. So the listing title, the keywords are a little all over the place. And I don't know if this is like a very known keyword, ART Rex. But let me go ahead and search it. So I don't really think, yeah. See, when I search this keyword, this is your first keyword on this listing title, AR-T-Rex. Unfortunately, it's not a very strong keyword. And if you search it over here, it doesn't pull up any results. It doesn't have any other competing results for it. So it means a lot of people aren't really searching for it. And it's not a keyword that people are using and thinking about. So, and I'll zoom this in just a little bit. So I would say off of that, you want to go ahead and put some stronger keywords. Now, I see you already got 138 sales, which is great. So if you are doing well on this listing, then I wouldn't change it. Don't mess with it. If you've got a product that's making sales and doing well, there's no need to mess with it. But you can always make a copy of it and then make some changes to that new one. So for something like this, I think you would be a little bit better off moving maybe even something like 3D printed dinosaur, 3D printed dinosaur in the UK. Wow, Etsy knows where it's at. So that only brings you up 196 results, which isn't huge. Maybe this one's, let's see what this one, articulated Tyrannosaurus Rex. What a long word there, T-Rex. Let's just try T-Rex dash. 25. So, interesting. I don't know what would be the best keyword then. Maybe, I'm not sure. That is some of the challenges sometimes, is finding the right keywords can be difficult. But it looks like you're making sales. I don't know. The keywords, desk ornament might even be better than something like articulated T-Rex, because it's desk ornament has 8,000 results. And you can see right there, they've got this little raptor, flexi raptor. So I would suggest keep looking into your keywords and try to find some beefier keywords that have a little bit more competition, a little bit higher search results. Desk ornament, while it's not as specific, it's not as specific as any of your T-Rex ones, it is a little bit, it is a bigger keyword. There's a lot more results. There's 8,000 results, whereas the articulated T-Rex only has 25 results. So it's just a lot smaller. Articulated dinosaur is even a little bit better. That's got a few more results. So sometimes it can be difficult dialing in your keywords just right, especially if you have a really unique product. But, you just keep digging around. Also, you can try and find some other keywords like a gift keywords, or, what would, desk ornament. That's not exactly describing the item, but it's, something that someone might buy this for. They might buy it as a desk ornament. But if they bought it as a gift or something like a kid's gift or dinosaur person gift or something like that, that could also be a good one. So let's go ahead. Does the order of the keywords matter? Yeah, the order of the keywords is actually very important. The very beginning, the first keyword on your listing title is the most important keyword. So you want to get your biggest, strongest, most relevant keyword right at the beginning of your listing title. So that, yes, it does matter quite a bit. It's good to have a lot of keywords, 5 or 10 different keywords in your listing title, but your first keyword is pretty critical. So let's go ahead and look around. I like that you've got this one right here showing the different colors. Although this image is a little dim, it's if you can make this get this brighter, that would be nice. And let's go ahead. So we've got all these different colors here, translucent. Now I see you have way more colors available than you have photos of. So think it'd be great to get these other colors in here too, to kind of really show it off what it looks like. Now, the other thing I'm a bit confused on is that you've got this, I see you've got lots of different sizes, but I don't really know how big these are. So you've got a large, medium, small, extra small, and a key ring. I don't know which one's which though. So it'd be really good to have a photo showing, with a label next to each one, large, medium, small, key ring, and so on. And you could even put a little ruler. You could put a ruler on the image showing the dimensions. This is X inches or centimeters or millimeters tall by X centimeters and inches wide. That would be good too. And it would just make it easier for your customer to know exactly what they're getting into, how big it is, and so on. Because right now there's too much information I'm missing here. If I was going to come in and buy this, obstinate orange, let's see. And then I could say I want to get the keyring size. And I'm guessing it's this little pink one right here, but I don't really know for sure. And another thing, it looks like these move around. I'm kind of figuring out more stuff as I go. If you had a picture showing this move, that would be really cool. Or I mean, a video. You can actually upload videos right here. So with a product like this that has, different movements and stuff, that would be really cool too, because then I could see how the dinosaur, stands up and then sits down and the arms move and the tail and all that cool stuff as well. But overall, great looking products. I think they're really cool. I would recommend just working on the keywords, trying to find something a little bit more specific, and then add in some more details about the sizing. That'd be good and helpful.